Welcome! In this Analysis for Excel quick tip video, we'll discuss how to check if a purchase order is cleared using Analysis for Excel reports. For more background on the Analysis for Excel tool, please visit our Help Files website. The fastest way to see if a purchase order has been invoiced is to use the Accounts Payable Details report. If you don't have access to that report, later on this video we'll show how you can also use the Fund Detail Statement report. In the Accounts Payable Details report, from the Analysis tab Display menu, you can drag in a free characteristic called Item Status. If the item status is Cleared Item, invoice was posted and paid. If the status is Open Item, the invoice was posted but has not been paid. You can also use the Clearing Date column to determine if the invoice was paid. For a paid invoice, the date when it was paid is shown, while for unpaid invoice, there's a hashtag in the field. You can also use the Fund Detail Statement report. In the Analysis tab Display menu, drag the predecessor document to the Rows section next to the document number. The predecessor number of the invoice will match the document number of the purchase order. If the purchase order has been invoiced, you can see that the outstanding commitments are zeroed out. Once you have the document number of the purchase order, you can find the invoice also by running the report again from prompt screen and pasting that number to the predecessor document field in the prompt screen. Now only the purchase order and relating invoices are shown. Thank you for watching this episode of BI Quick Tips series. You can find all the BI Quick Tips videos on the Help Files website. Until next time!